Very interesting fact. We explored this combination of science and the spirituality of mudras, because in the modern way of yoga teachers training program, we hardly have any time to learn. And maybe in a 200 hours teachers training, 300 hours teachers training, 500 hours teachers training, you might have learned some bits and pieces of mudras. But nowhere in the world there is anything like this combination, which we are going to share it now. So I already mentioned that we are only focusing on yoga mudras. So I'll consider yoga mudras, and other things I'll not be able to consider at this juncture of the class. So in yoga mudras, there are about 729 mudras which I know and remember, and most of other mudras which were there long before were burnt in Nalanda Takshashila, where you know the history, where books were burning for more than 3 months plus. So we are on the verge of losing our heritage, and we all need to understand, accept, explore, and promote the cultural heritage of India. So amongst these 729 mudras, I consider myself as still student of yoga mudras, and I learn from various sources, various masters. There are few masters from Salem and other parts of place where they do not want me to tell their names or teach to anybody else. So academically, I consider myself to be able to teach you around 550 mudras, which we have divided into 5 categories: Mudra Yoga, TTC, Teachers Training Program, where level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just to consider, to make you easy to learn, we have categorically divided these 5 categories. In first mudra, we'll teach you somewhat around 30 to 55 mudras. And after teaching you this, I consider we select the students, because it is we are following a considerate part of not just European industrial revolution, but a cultural heritage of a Guru Shishya Parampara, where we choose our students and students need to choose us. And then we take them into Mudra Yoga Teachers Training Program, and then we teach. And after teaching, for example, Mudra Yoga level training 1, after teaching this, we will make the students do their practice sincerely along with Yama Niyamas and few other basic traditional practices, which will ask them to do in their routine life, and come back to us after you practice. Either out of this 30 to 55, based on your capacity, we'll ask you to do certain mudras extended way, maybe 5 selected mudras of your choice. Will ask you to continue practice more and more, and we want to see the difference in you in the next 3 to 6 months, and after that only we'll be able to take you to the next level. So we want to build a quality, considerate quality of a students, not just a too many number of students teaching too many things.